It's seen as a breakthrough in Europe's judicial reform, and it's aimed at breaking through barriers to Europe's single market. Let's say you, as a consumer or a company, have a dispute with someone in another country, but it's too expensive to go there and sue them. Well, there's relief now, and here's how. The European Parliament approved common rules governing the jurisdiction of courts in civil and commercial matters. The so-called Brussels I regulation lays the foundation for a European judicial area. The EPP Group's Tadeusz Zwiefka is rapporteur of the measure that says a judgment given in one member state will automatically take effect in another member state without the need to validate the verdict through a special judicial procedure called exequatur. That's a savings of up to 12,000 euros. Mr. Zwiefka explains one case in point for a consumer, buying a refrigerator in another country.
You discover that it doesn't work. You can sue the company which produced this fridge in your country, in your own language, and be able to enforce the judgment in the country when you bought this fridge. I think that is very, very important for our citizens, for our consumers.
European Justice Commissioner Viviane Reding joined Zwiefka in a news conference to explain the legislation.
It is surely a foundation because it means that you do not need to go back to each national court again in order to have a recognition of a decision taken in another member state. So that is a foundation for having a space for 500 million citizens. It is a very important step indeed, and it will need other steps, of course, but one by one we are going to construct this space of liberty and freedom.
The reform, which also clarifies which court is competent in a dispute, is expected to save a total of 47 million euros a year. It does not cover revenue, customs, administrative matters, or bankruptcy, nor does it apply to such personal matters as wills and succession. Of course, Tadeusz Zwiefka insisted on maintaining safeguards for defendants' rights. They will have the chance to appeal. Find out more about the activities of the largest political force in Parliament by checking eppgroup.eu. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.